Upon removing the house batteries, we noticed that the exhaust hose for the generator was compromised. So we opted to replace it with some fresh hose. Here we have the hose coming out of the generator and up to the aft section of the muffler and out over to the exhaust pipe. This is the transformer that we removed. This is the sub panel that feeds the refrigerators up forward on the boat. Alright, so here they got the whole shore power from line 1 running through this source selector. So I'm gonna put it back to factory config, which are these wires here. All these gotta get reconnected back up to the main breaker, like the factory configuration. All right, here's something I do as part of the maintenance while I'm working on the panel. When I have access to certain terminals, I will retorque the base nut. See that? How it's hand loose? I will retorque this while I have the terminals apart. That is a minor detail that's been a bit of a trade secret of mine. Alright, I just retorqued these base nuts and I disconnected that wire here going to the source selector, and I gotta tie in the original wire from the shore bus there back over to the top there, back to the factory configuration. All right, here's one other thing. Just finished putting this terminal back on here. Correct terminal stacking. The thicker wires always go first on the post, with the thinnest wires on top. Alright, there we have a bypassed source selector. Now we got shore power back to the factory config. Shore power 2, shore power 1. We got some sensor wires here for the alarm system, so it can disconnect, or it can detect if shore power is disconnected and send a text message to the customer. The siren alarm system. Alright, about to pop in the Victron display. It's mounted up here, level with the TV, so it flows with the lines of the boat. Got the whole D-bird on both the inside and outside. Got the ferrite in place, and what do you know? Clicks right in. Looks good.